Magnetism and Electricity, Video 6, Investigation 5. Click it. Hey, it's Nick Kapoor from the Winship School one more time, concluding the video series for the FOSS Magnetism and Electricity series. The focus of this video is going to be on Unit Investigation 5, Click It, which is broken into 3 parts, and according to the teacher's guide, should take you between 7 and 9 teaching sessions of 30 to 60 minutes each. These are the student learning outcomes for the investigation, and again, you can see them at the Science Department Weebly site. In parts 1 and 2 of this investigation, students will use their knowledge of electromagnets to reinvent the telegraph and send messages. If you choose to do this investigation, you may want to show your class this video on the invention of the telegraph and Morse code so they have some idea of what's going on.
The old joke poses the question, who's buried in Grant's tomb? The answer, of course, is Ulysses S. Grant. But if you ask who invented Morse code, you may be surprised by the answer. In the 1830s, Samuel Morse is a struggling art professor.
So that's just a brief segment of the video. The total video is a little bit over 4 minutes long. And this is the website for that video. You can also read the suggested science stories on Morse code from the student book. To be honest, if you get this far into the unit, I found part 3, where students choose, design, and complete their own investigation to be more beneficial than parts 1 and 2. Fair warning, however, that the choose your own investigation would often require more prep work on your part and the gatherable materials that are usually not included in the kit if kids make up their own projects. So make sure to read through that section of the teacher's guide before you make any decisions or allow students to plan investigations they might not be able to carry out. If I allow students to complete their own investigation, I do like to have them create either a poster or a digital share out of their methods and findings and save at least half a class period for this type of share out discussion of choice projects. It's important to share with students that scientists share their information with other scientists. And one free resource that I use is Animoto, and it lets kids digitally share through pictures and captions and a kind of an animated slideshow what their findings are. Finally, I want to make sure that I show you the common writing assignment for this unit. Again, you can find this on the Science Department Weebly site in the Science and Literacy section. And then if you scroll down to the argumentation through CWA, common writing assignment, and then if you scroll down, our 4th grade magnetism and electricity prompt is going to be about which circuit will light both bulbs. And this is something that students can use evidence that they've collected throughout the unit to answer. That's pretty much it for the magnetism and electricity unit. Like I said before, you should read through the teacher's guide, but I hope I was able to give you some helpful implementation tips. Don't forget to check the FOSS website, the Science Department Weebly, the Google Drive folder for all those electronic resources. And please feel free to contact me with any specific questions that you may still have as you teach the magnetism and electricity unit. So this is my name. The best email to reach me at, the phone number of the Winship School, and this, once again, is that Google Drive folder. Good luck.